Today we are here with a curated list of the best free apps to install on your new Windows 11 PC, spanning essential categories for productivity, security, creativity, and entertainment. These apps are optimized for Windows 11's features like the snap layout and widget. So let's get started. Firstly, VLC. Yes, Windows 11 comes with a slick new media player, but VLC has die-hard fans for a reason. It can play and rip just about any audio or video format in existence. There are in fact two flavors of VLC on the Microsoft Store for apps, the Standard Edition and the UWP version. The first includes all the app's multifarious and intricately detailed features, with the UWP version is simpler and a lot more touch friendly. Both are completely free and open source, though the download site has a handy donation bar along the top. If you ever communicate with anyone outside the US, chances are you are one of more than 5 billion WhatsApp users. The Windows Store app sends and receives end to end encrypted text chats and calls with your contacts. Do note that communication with business accounts is not completely private. The business may forward chat messages to suppliers and so on. WhatsApp lets you do video and voice calls too. Use disappearing messages, update your profile, or send photos, emojis, and voice messages in this simple Windows Store app. This app is free and has no ads. In this world awash with subscription based streaming video content, what could be better than a completely free service loaded with shows, movies, and even live content? Tubi is by far one of the best free video streaming services. One downside is you cannot download movies or shows to watch offline as some paid apps let you do. If you are on Instagram, you might want to install the app right on your PC. Watch the stories, see the selfies, carry on direct message conversations, see who is following whom, and create and post memes. It is all there in this PWA app. It lacks access to your PC's camera, so you can't make instant videos and photos for Instagram, but you can upload the photos stored locally. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.